Master Blends, right?
Yeah, this Master Blends.
He got his own YouTube channel.
What's going on, y'all? Welcome to the Master Blends Grilling and Cooking channel. My name is Trey, and today we're gonna be making Philly steak and cheese sandwiches. Ha! Stay tuned. All right, so let's go ahead and get started on these Philly steaks. So I got about 1 3/4 pounds of ribeye steak that I did chop up and slice thinly, as you can see. I got a medium-sized green pepper that I chopped up. Also got a medium-sized yellow onion that I chopped up. For the seasonings, we're gonna be using this peppercorn seasoning. You can just use straight black pepper. You know, since I'm making a video, I gotta be bougie. So I also got this pink Himalayan salt. We're gonna put that on there as well. That's really all you need. But I'm gonna go ahead and try this seasoning right here, the Steak King. I'm gonna throw a little bit of that on there as well. So for my burners, I got a 3 burner setup. My 2 on the right is on high, 1 on the left is on low. We're gonna put the vegetables over here. So let's go ahead and get to cooking. Also, I already put olive oil on the griddle. You just want to go ahead and mix up your veggies. Really didn't have to mix it up as much as I'm doing. It was about 35 degrees outside, so I was really just trying to be outside, do something so I can warm up. But just mixing up the onions and the green peppers. Then we're gonna go ahead and take that black pepper, put that on top. Go ahead and put that salt. And we're gonna put that steak seasoning. So you just want to mix all this up, let it simmer down a little bit, let them flavors marinate. Just slowly cooking this down. All right, some of these buns is ready. I'm gonna go ahead and pull them off to the side. All right, I lowered the temperature. I got 6 buns, so I broke them up into 6 sections. We're gonna go ahead and put some of that provolone cheese on top. All right, I'm gonna grab a couple of these veggies. Scoop this up. Like so. I'm gonna go ahead and get the rest though. All right, there you have it. I got these little quick Philly steak and cheese sandwiches I whipped up. Got a couple of them I ain't got no veggies on because my son will not eat it. But stay tuned to the summer where I will be making some bigger Philly steak and cheese sandwiches. So stay tuned for that when it get warmer out. Nothing much, just got some salt, got that Steak King, a little bit of ground up pepper. Hey, you know what time it is. So I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Make sure you hit that like button, share, subscribe. Once again, my name is Trey. This is the Master Blends Grilling and Cooking channel. Hey, it's time to eat.